Let's talk about backtesting your trading strategy. So, backtesting, for those that don't know, backtesting is a process used in trading to evaluate the performance of a trading strategy using historical market data. It involves applying the rules and criteria of a trading system to past market conditions to assess how it would have performed in real time. By simulating trades and measuring the strategy's profitability and risk metrics, traders can gain insights into the effectiveness and make informed decisions about its potential use in live trading. Backtesting helps identify strengths and weaknesses of a trading strategy, refine parameters, and assess its viability before risking actual capital. There are really two approaches you can take to backtesting. One is a little bit more anecdotal, simply scanning a chart as far back as you're kind of willing to sit through, and see if your trade setup that you're currently looking for in the stock has caused share prices to increase or decrease on average. The second and more advisable way is to have a bit more of an anecdotal, or excuse me, a bit more of an analytical approach to things. So you can build a program that can backtest a setup with your trading strategy, meaning you can know exactly how your trading strategy has done under the current conditions for the stock, assuming you're testing once a buy signal is red. So I would always recommend you do a little bit more of an analytical back test. It's just simply more reliable and just easier as well. And there are actually bots that you can have on your charts that will tell you literally when to buy and when to sell. And you can see that here, right? So this is my bot. This is my momentum bot. So it's basically telling me the long arrows. As you can see, the blue arrows with the long, that basically means it's suggesting a buy. The exit longs obviously suggesting a sell. So as you can see, that this can be pretty correct, and it's really just more than anything, it's good to look and see how your trading strategy would do. So as you can see here, with this trading strategy, I have a momentum trading strategy on Carvana. You can see that it was profitable 42% of the time, but I have a profit factor of 1.3. Therefore, I'm winning most of the trades here. Or I'm not winning most of the trades, but I'm still profitable. And then customizable. So these are all customizable as well, as you can kind of change your take profit, your stop loss, your capital that you're risking per trade. You can change certain factors you have in. So I have mine set up to read to basically never go long a stock that is overbought and never short a stock that is oversold. And you can kind of adjust those oversold and overbought conditions. So RSI being overbought is when RSI is over 70, and then oversold is below 30. So I have mine set up a little different. And then we can see that the comparative symbol is the SPY. So I always make sure that I'm going long stocks that are outperforming the market. So I have that set up as well. If you wanted to say, hey, I only want to go long stocks that are outperforming the NASDAQ, well, you could absolutely change that here. And there's a bunch of other factors that can be changed. So it's always good to build this out more customizable, because what you want may change as kind of the months and the years go by, right? And then you can get your own custom trading bot made by pros. So this is a service that we actually offer, and we charge anywhere from about $200 to $500 per trading bot. So we'll show you how to set this up. You can set this up in your TradingView account, so it shows on your chart just like I did right here. So this is definitely a good thing to kind of have in your arsenal when you're trading, right? If you're trying to kind of profit off the markets day to day, it's really hard to do so without a custom bot that is going to help you very quickly, right? Because this bot basically does research for every single chart every single candle within your chart, right? And it does it instantly. So you can basically see if your strategy is going to work on a specific stock before you get into that stock, right? And you don't have to go back and look and all that stuff. That's why it really saves you a bunch of time. It definitely is going to help you with trading. So if this is something you're interested in, this is a service that we offer right here on our site, so you can go and get that for yourself. The wide range in the prices is really just because everyone's bot is really different, right? Some are more complicated, some are easier. So obviously the more complicated ones will be closer to that 500, and then the easier ones will be closer to that $200 price target. So with that being said, though, I hope you enjoyed this chapter. I will end it here.